Okay. So ngayon naman ay alamin natin kung paano mag-sketch ng slope field gamit ang Maxima. So if you haven't installed or downloaded Maxima yet, you can go to the Maxima website. Ilalagay ko yung link dun sa ating lecture notes and also in the description of this video. Please install it first before you proceed with the rest of this lesson para masundan ninyo yung mga ginagawa natin. Okay. So once you are in the web page, you can merong documentation for some help, some tutorials, and to download Maxima, just go to the download link. You can install it in Windows, Mac, and Linux. I'm not sure kung meron itong iOS version, but for Android merong version itong Maxima. Okay. So this is what the interface of Maxima looks like. Okay. And now I'm going to show you the basic code for plotting the slope field. So yung basic function natin for plotting the slope field is plot df. And df stands for direction field. Okay. And this is because the slope fields are also known as direction fields. But we will be just using the term slope field, but if you read other books, it is synonymous to the term direction field. So we have plot df, plot the direction field, and then yung pinakaunang argument mo dito sa function mo is yung function mo na f of xy. So let me just show my writing board first. So suppose gusto nating i-plot yung function, yung slope field ng equation na y prime is equal to x times y minus x squared. Ayan. So ito-type lang natin yung x times y minus x squared dito sa loob ng ating function. So x, you might actually type it this way. Ayan. But in Maxima, you need to specify na minumultiply mo itong dalawang expressions na to. So you need to put an asterisk in the middle to signify multiplication. However, it will be displayed as this center dot. Now, to run this particular command, just click Shift Enter. Ayan. And then it will show you the plot. So ngayon yung plot natin. Wait, ito yung kanina. Close ko lang to. Okay, so I think this is the more updated plot. Okay. So itong plot window na to, pwede nyo itong i-resize. Pwede nyo palakihin. Ngayon, pag pinalaki nyo, medyo madi-distort itong plot region. So click nyo lang itong refresh button na ito. Okay. Para i-replot ng Maxima itong slope field. So ito na ngayon yung slope field. Itong function, nitong equation natin. Okay. So again, katulad ng sinabi ko kanina sa previous video, you can click anywhere in this graph and it will show you the graph of the solution to the initial value that satisfies that initial value. Ibig sabihin yung solution that passes through the point na clinic mo. So for example, baklik ko dito, ito ngayon yung particular solution that passes through this particular point. In other words, ito yung mga integral curves natin. So you can plot. Yung ibang solutions medyo out of bounds na nitong plot natin. Okay, but some solutions are, within the plot. So makikita natin yung shape. Ayan. Now let me reset this graph. And I'm going to show you another feature. Okay. To actually specify the solution, the particular solution to an initial value problem, Okay? Kasi pwede nating i-click, but that will just, well, kailangan accurate yung yung pag-point mo ng cursor. Okay? Now, if you want Maxima to actually show you yung solution, you can use this option. So, comma, because we're entering another parameter within the plotdf function. And then we have inside square brackets, I'm going to type trajectory underscore at, and then the value of x, and then the value of y. So for example, 0, 0. And this will show me the solution that passes through the point 0, 0. Okay, let me plot another IVP. Suppose gusto nating malaman kung ano itsura ng solution that passes through the point 1, 5. Okay. Ayan. So, ito na siya. Refresh natin. Or palakihin ko. So, as you can see, this integral curve passes through the point 1, 5. So, it satisfies the initial value y of 1 equals 5. Now, unfortunately, itong plotdf function, it can only plot one trajectory at a time. Okay, so that's how you plot a slope field using Maxima. Now, if you want to learn, so meron pang other parameters itong plotdf function. You can further customize the plot that it produces. So if you want to know all the other options, you can go to the tutorial, or is that called tutorial? But there's a dedicated page on the Maxima website for plotdf. Let me show you let me check kung pwede kong ipakita. Okay, so this is the page, and then you can, if you want, you can explore the plotdf function further. But for the purpose of our lecture, yung functionalities na pinakita ko kanina would be sufficient.